Prepare to embark on a celestial journey unlike any other as we delve into the mesmerizing world of comets. Brace yourself for a cosmic spectacle filled with icy marvels, cosmic tales, and awe-inspiring encounters. Get ready to witness the breathtaking beauty and unearth the captivating secrets of these celestial wanderers that have fascinated humankind for centuries. Buckle up, stargazers, as we embark on a thrilling adventure through the mysterious realm of comets, where the wonders of the universe come alive before our very eyes. A comet is an icy, small solar system body that warms and begins to release gases when passing close to the sun, a process called outgassing. This produces an extended, gravitationally unbound atmosphere or coma surrounding the nucleus, and sometimes a tail of gas and dust gas blown out from the coma. They are effects of. These phenomena are due to the effects of solar radiation and the outstreaming solar wind plasma acting upon the nucleus of the comet. Comet nuclei range from a few hundred meters to tens of kilometers across and are composed of loose collections of ice, dust, and small rocky particles. The coma may be up to 15 times Earth's diameter, while the tail may stretch beyond 1 astronomical unit. If sufficiently close and bright, a comet may be seen from Earth without the aid of a telescope and can subtend an arc of up to 30 degrees, 60 moons, across the sky. Comets have been observed and recorded since ancient times by many cultures and religions. Highly eccentric elliptical orbits. Comets usually have highly eccentric elliptical orbits, and they have a wide range of orbital periods, ranging from several years to potentially several millions of years. Short-period comets originate in the Kuiper Belt or its associated scattered disk, which lie beyond the orbit of Neptune. Long-period comets are thought to originate in the Oort cloud, a spherical cloud of icy bodies extending from outside the Kuiper Belt to halfway to the nearest star. Long-period comets are set in motion towards the Sun by gravitational perturbations from passing stars and the galactic tide. Hyperbolic comets may pass once through the inner solar system before being flung to interstellar space. The appearance of a comet is called an apparition. Extinct comets. Extinct comets that have passed close to the Sun many times have lost nearly all of their volatile ices and dust and may come to resemble small asteroids. Asteroids are thought to have a different origin from comets, having formed inside the orbit of Jupiter rather than in the outer solar system. However, the discovery of main belt comets and active Centaur minor planets has blurred the distinction between asteroids and comets. In the early 21st century, the discovery of some minor bodies with long-period comet orbits, but characteristics of inner solar system asteroids, were called Manx comets. They are still classified as comets, such as C/2014 S3, PNSDARS. 27 Manx comets were found from 2013 to 2017. Physical characteristics. Nucleus. The solid core structure of a comet is known as the nucleus. Cometary nuclei are composed of an amalgamation of rock, dust, water, ice, frozen carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, methane, and ammonia. As such, they are popularly described as dirty snowballs after Fred Whipple's model. Comets with a higher dust content have been called icy dirt balls. The term icy dirt balls arose after observation of Comet 9P/Tempel 1 collision with an impactor probe sent by NASA Deep Impact mission in July 2005. Research conducted in 2014 suggests that comets are like deep-fried ice cream in that their surfaces are formed of dense crystalline ice mixed with organic compounds, while the interior ice is colder and less dense. The surface. The surface of the nucleus is generally dry, dusty, or rocky, suggesting that the ice are hidden beneath a surface crust several meters thick. The nuclei contain a variety of organic compounds, which may include methanol, hydrogen cyanide, formaldehyde, ethanol, ethane, and perhaps more complex molecules such as long-chain hydrocarbons and amino acids. In 2009, it was confirmed that the amino acid glycine had been found in the comet dust recovered by NASA's Stardust mission. In August 2011, a report based on NASA studies of meteorites found on Earth was published, suggesting DNA and RNA components, adenine, guanine, and related organic molecules, may have been formed on asteroids and comets. The outer surfaces of cometary nuclei have a very low albedo, making them among the least reflective objects found in the solar system. The Giotto space probe found that the nucleus of Halley's comet, 1P/Halley, reflects about 4% of the light that falls on it, and deep space one discovered that comet Borrelie's surface reflects less than 3%. By comparison, asphalt reflects 7%. The dark surface material of the nucleus may consist of complex organic compounds. Solar heating drives off lighter volatile compounds, leaving behind larger organic compounds that tend to be very dark, like tar or crude oil. The low reflectivity of cometary surfaces causes them to absorb the heat that drives their outgassing processes. Coma. The streams of dust and gas thus released form a huge and extremely thin atmosphere around the comet called the coma. The force exerted on the coma by the sun's radiation pressure and solar wind cause an enormous tail to form, pointing away from the sun. Bow shock. Bow shocks form as a result of the interaction between the solar wind and the cometary ionosphere, which is created by the ionization of gases in the coma. As the comet approaches the sun, increasing outgassing rates cause the coma to expand, and the sunlight ionizes gases in the coma. When the solar wind passes through this ion coma, the bow shock appears. Tails. In the outer solar system, comets remain frozen and inactive and are extremely difficult or impossible to detect from Earth due to their small size. Statistical detections of inactive comet nuclei in the Kuiper belt have been reported from observations by the Hubble Space Telescope. But these detections have been questioned. As a comet approaches the inner solar system, solar radiation causes the volatile materials within the comet to vaporize and stream out of the nucleus, carrying dust away with them. Orbital characteristics. Most comets are small solar system bodies with elongated elliptical orbits that take them close to the sun for a part of their orbit and then out into the further reaches of the solar system for the remainder. 8. Comets are often classified according to the length of their orbital periods. The longer the period, the more elongated the ellipse. Short period. Periodic comets or short-period comets are generally defined as those having orbital periods of less than 200 years. They usually orbit more or less in the ecliptic plane in the same direction as the planets. Their orbits typically take them out to the region of the outer planets, Jupiter and beyond, at aphelion. For example, the aphelion of Halley's comet is a little beyond the orbit of Neptune. Comets whose aphelia are near a major planet's orbit are called its family. Such families are thought to arise from the planet capturing formerly long-period comets into shorter orbits. At the shorter orbital period extreme, Encke's comet has an orbit that does not reach the orbit of Jupiter and is known as an Encke-type comet. Short-period comets with orbital periods of less than 20 years and low inclinations, up to 30 degrees, to the ecliptic are called traditional Jupiter family comets, JSCs. Those like Halley, with orbital periods of between 20 and 200 years and inclinations extending from 0 to more than 90 degrees, are called Halley-type comets, HECs. As of 2023, 70 Encke-type comets, 100 HECs, and 755 JFCs have been reported. As we bid farewell to the captivating journey through the cosmic realm of comets, we are left with a profound sense of awe and wonder. Comets has illuminated the secrets of these celestial nomads, revealing their majestic beauty and the profound impact they have on our understanding of the universe. These icy wanderers, with their ethereal tails and unpredictable paths, ignite our imaginations and remind us of the ever-changing nature of our cosmic home. If you found our video informative, kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.